But red chili was like, I should be delicious on everything. And everyone was like, yeah, this is delicious on everything. Now, as much as proud New Mexicans would love to claim that the first chilies came from the heart of an ancient volcano or were bestowed upon them by some ancient power, they can't. In fact, though native cuisine did utilize chilies, they were small, berry-sized peppers and nothing like the meaty chilies we know and love today. Colonialization brought with it new flavors and ingredients, but it would be another 200 years before Dr. Fabian Garcia, an ambitious horticulturalist working at New Mexico State University, would crossbreed chilies until he came up with what New Mexico would eventually be famous for. Mostly famous for. There was that and, well, and then, well, and now you know. For our recipe, I'm again pilfering the food-stained pages of my family's cookbook. Shh, don't tell anyone. This is my mom's red chili recipe. First, I'm destemming the chilies and shaking the seeds out. Think of them as spicy baby rattles. When they don't rattle, they're good. To my Type A chefs out there, a few seeds won't hurt you. Just do your best. Now, add some water and set it on high heat until it boils. Then cover and back the heat down to a nice, mellow boil. We'll need about 20 minutes on the heat. Decapitate some garlic, then give them a good oil rub just to say you're sorry. Cover them and bake them for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees. After about 20 minutes on the stove, our chili should be soft and ready to go. I'm going to snag one and test it. If, when you squeeze it between your fingers, the flesh separates from the skin, you're done. If not, put them back on until they're supple. Note, don't strain the chili pods. We need the water. Save it. Throw your pods in a blender, add your out-of-focus oregano, salt, honey, and about 2 cups of chili water. Don't use all the water. We're not thickening this with flour or cornstarch, just the garlic and chili pods. Speaking of garlic, it's done. Squeeze out a head's worth and we're ready to blend. Now, make sure your blender is stretched before this because this will be a full 3-minute high-intensity blending sesh. Seriously, blend the Skittles out of this stuff because the last thing you want is a chunk of chili skin hanging on your front tooth like a mini Alex Honnold in a red hoodie. Anyway, after you blend, check the texture. Mine was a bit on the thick side, so I added another half cup of water and blended it again. Poor blender, he needs a day off. That's perfect. Side by side, you can really see the difference. And now, we feast. It's a rich, smoky, garlicky flavor. I don't understand people who grew up and didn't eat red chili 6 times a week. What was that like? Was it like Lucky Charms and baked potatoes? What was that like? This is wonderful. I'm gonna hit it with some beans. Boom, again, yolk, red chili, a little bit of lime. That's the bite. And that's what red chili is. It's this base that you can put in anything. It's beautiful, it's wonderful. Tortillas are mandatory because they mop everything up, so you leave a clean plate. I have so many memories of eating red chili, so many memories. This recipe, super authentic, perfect, absolutely perfect. Thank you, Mother Dear, for this recipe. This is it. I'm happy. I'm good. I'm done. I'm good for the rest of the day. This is it. Here's the cool thing about red chili. You can put it on anything. It's so good. You can do this at home. Super easy. It was like 3 ingredients and you're done. 4 ingredients, you're done. Don't eat crappy food. Live intentionally. Eat intentionally. I'll see you guys next time. I'm doing carne adobada next week. Subscribe for that. It just might change your life. It's gonna change your life. Goodness me.